Hello and welcome back grade 1 students. I hope you're enjoying the videos. We're going to continue with Unit 6, Objects and Patterns in the Sky. Remember, pattern is something that is being repeated. Lesson 1, How do objects in the sky seem to change? Part 2. When we say seem, it means appears to change. Is it really changing or is something else happening? Let's check out and see. For today, we're going to cover the following points. Lesson 1, How do objects in the sky seem to change? Explore, explain, patterns in the daytime sky, page 281 to 182. We open our books to page 281, patterns in the daytime sky. Let's take a minute to observe these three pictures. What do we see? Excellent. We can spot that the sun, or the position of the sun, seems to be changing during the day, right? Early in the morning, we could spot it on the right side, low in the sky on the right side. Then during the noon, it's directly above the house. And then late afternoon, it is low in the sky on the left side, right? And what's happening else other than the sun's position? What is changing other than the sun's position in these three pictures? Excellent, the shadows. So in the first picture, we could spot that the shadow is leaning toward the toward the left side. And the second picture, we could see that the shadow is directly beneath the house. And then the third picture, we could spot that the shadow is leaning towards the right side. So let's read together to show what's happening during the day. Early in the morning, then during the noontime, then during the late afternoon. Each day, Earth turns all the way around. This makes the sun seem to move across the sky. In early morning, the sun seems low in the sky. At noon, the sun seems to be directly above us. By late afternoon, it seems to be low again, but on the other side of the sky. This pattern repeats each day. So I'm going to read it again, then I'm going to explain. Patterns in the daytime sky. Okay, let's check out. Each day, Earth turns all the way around. This makes the sun seem to move across the sky. In early morning, the sun seems low in the sky. At noon, the sun seems to be directly above us. By late afternoon, it seems to be low again, but on the other side of the sky. This pattern repeats each day. Remember, pattern is something that is being repeated. So, let me explain to you guys. As you watched in the Make Me Genius video, the Earth rotates around itself, okay? And it needs 24 hours to finish a whole rotation. Now, as it rotates all the time around itself, okay, what's happening? The sun hits one side of the Earth, okay, so we have daytime, and the other side would have dark. As the Earth rotates, the sun, what's happening? It stays in its place, but it seems as if it is moving across the sky, right? But is it really moving across the sky? No, it is not moving across the sky. So guys, let me explain to you this idea before we start, okay? This is the Earth. It rotates all the time around itself, and this is the sun, okay? What's happening? As the Earth is rotating around itself the whole time, what's happening? The sun hits one part of the Earth, making or allowing this part to have the daytime, and then the other part would have what? Nighttime. Excellent. But as it keeps on rotating, okay, what happens? The sun seems to be moving, but is the sun actually moving? No. The Earth is moving, okay, rotating around itself. That's why it, excellent, it makes us feel as if the sun is moving across the sky, but the sun isn't moving across the sky. It is the Earth rotating, and when it is rotating, what happens? Excellent. What happens is that the sun is hitting it from different positions as it moves. That's why it seems as if the sun is moving around, but the sun isn't moving in the sky. Instead, Earth is rotating around itself. Clear? That's why the sun appears to be moving in the sky, but is it really moving? No. So let's read and explain. Each day, Earth turns all the way around, as we said. This makes the sun seem to move across the sky. So is it actually moving across the sky? No. They're telling us that in early morning, the sun seems low in the sky. So we could spot that it is low in the sky where? Excellent, on the right side, right? And then they're saying at noontime, the sun seems to be directly above us. But is it directly above us? No, it is not directly above us, okay? The earth is rotating, and as it rotates, okay, we feel that the sun as if, or it appears in the sky as if it is moving, but it's not moving. Instead, the sun that is hitting the earth as it moves, as the earth moves, okay, it hits it for one side, okay, on that side it would have daytime, and during daytime we know that the sun will appear to be rising and setting, but it's not rising and setting. Instead, the earth is rotating. So when this part of the world becomes on the other side, okay, it will have dark time and the daytime will be over. That's why the sun appears to be setting. Clear? By late afternoon, it seems to be low again, but on the other side of the sky, this pattern repeats every day or each day, which means each day, every day, each day, every day, each day, every day, Earth rotates around itself, and it needs 24 hours to finish this rotation. As it rotates around itself, the sun appears to be moving across the sky during the daytime, but the sun isn't moving, it's staying in its place. Instead, Earth is rotating around itself. As the Earth is rotating around itself, or turning all the way around, what happens? The sun appears to be moving across the sky. In the early morning, it seems to be where? Excellent, low in the sky on the right side, and then during the noontime, it appears to be directly above us. And then what happens during late afternoon? It seems to be on the excellent on the left side, low in the sky on the left side. Clear? And this is a pattern that repeats each day, every day, each day, every day, and you guys could observe it. So you could take the time and observe it, and then you may draw it. So take a day, observe when the sun is appearing in the sky during the early morning or in the early morning, then at noontime. Check it out, observe where is the sun, okay, and then during late afternoon also as well, check it out, where would the position of the sun be, and draw it out. Okay, draw early morning, show me where is the sun, during noontime where did you spot the sun, and during late afternoon where did you spot the sun. Clear? We move on. Exercise time. Are you guys ready? We open to page 282. Match each picture to the word or words that describe it. So, we have to match each picture to the word or words that describe it. Are you guys ready? So, over here in the first picture, okay, the sun appears to be low in the sky at the left side, and it is 4 p.m. So, what is it? Is it late in the afternoon? Is it early morning, or is it noon? Excellent, it is late afternoon, 4 p.m., right? Then at noontime, in the picture we could observe that, I don't know, is it noontime or is it early morning? I'm not sure. At 12 p.m., the sun seems or appears to be directly above us, right? So what does this tell us? It is morning time, early morning time, or what? Excellent, it is noontime. At noontime, the sun appears to be directly above us, right? And then early in the morning, it appears to be low in the sky on the excellent right side. That's also, it is a pattern that keeps repeating day after day, day after day, day after day. Early in the morning, it appears to be on the right side of the sky. Then during the day, it appears to be directly above us. Then late in the afternoon, it appears to be on the left side of the sky, low in the sky again on the left side that time, okay? But is the sun actually moving? No, it is the earth turning around itself. As it turns around itself, the sun appears to be moving, but the sun isn't moving. It's the earth turning around itself. That's all. Thank you.